to my YouTube channel. This channel I will do random reviews about pretty much anything, whatever new I get. Right, in this review, as you probably can see, we're going to do a G-Shock review. This is my third G-Shock. I only have two. This one I'm wearing right now. Sorry about the camera, it's not really that good. I'm planning to get a new one. I'm gonna probably unbox it as well. So yeah, alright. So the G-Shock we have today is not very old, but it's very common. I think, come on. Okay, it's the DW6900NB7. Lighting's poor, it won't focus. Alright, let's open it. Got it in the mail. Haven't seen it yet. Nothing else inside the box. Right, so it's tin. I think this is the old tin can. Cause I got I got the other ones are like rectangular. This circle with colours. It looks nice. Right, let's open it up. So it comes with a little foam. Instruction manual. Have what's this? Some instruction manuals, warranty. Yeah. Right, inside we have the G-Shock itself. It comes with a new nice little plastic. It comes with a little phone in the middle. Okay, so here it is. G-Shock. It's the one Eminem wore in his video I Need a Doctor with Dr. Dre. There we go. The tag doesn't have the price on it. I got it from Amazon. Really cheap. Very nice. I thought that G bottom was lighter. It's a bit it's a different colour. It's a different colour. The backlight. It's a nice blue. Once again, sorry about the camera. It's not really that good. Can't see the details very much. Wait. Here's the back of it. It's genuine. Bought it from bought it from Amazon. £55, very cheap. Yeah, and I might be getting a 30th anniversary limited edition G-Shock, the red with gold, the DW6900A something, A4 I think. Yeah, so it looks good. I might be getting that, and also the Croc and some other G-Shocks, but I'm not sure. I'm starting to really like collecting them. They're really nice. I mean, G-Shocks in general, they're just so strong. You can bang them, you can do anything to them, and they'll still survive. I mean, I've had this one for time. The backlight. Turn off the light so you can see the backlight. It's a nice backlight. It's got a mirror finish, so it's reflective. Oh, I've got fingerprints already on it. Sorry. Yeah, so like I said, my first time, it looks really nice. I mean, sorry if I just keep stopping, I'm just looking at it. It looks really beautiful. Sorry about that cut. My mum just walked in the middle of the review. Anyway, let me just turn the backlight. There we go. So it's got like this pattern. I don't know if you can really see it. It looks nice. Yeah, it looks really nice. I'm not sure why it's there. It doesn't really do nothing, just for the sign. And like I said, this white G button is different from the whole watch. It's like a different type of white. It's like greyish. The buckle. Sorry, I can't read. Made in Japan. This strap is matte. Not the strap. This holder. I don't know what you call it. It's matte white, and the rest of the G-Shock is shiny. Really nice. Yeah, so comment, like, subscribe. Well, I don't really care about the subscribers. Just comment, like. I'll be posting new videos about random things. Like if I get headphones, I'll unbox them, review them. If I get like a console game, anything. And right now I'm wearing this G-Shock, the G, I think it's 8900 or 7900, I think it is. It's really nice. It's got so many features, this one. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. You have alarm. What's that? I think stopwatch. Oh no, that's a stopwatch, and that's the time. And I say, oh, finally got 3. On my one, it's got way more. If you want, I can do a review on this, not an unboxing, because I got this without a box. It's really old. Like I said, my first ever G-Shock. So I'm planning to get a lot more G-Shocks. Probably some limited editions, because I really enjoy G-Shocks now. Been watching videos, they're really fun. So yeah, just watch out for new unboxings, reviews, just anything I get. And like I said, I might be getting a new camera, so if I get that unboxing, definitely better quality. The quality on this is not that good. So thank you for watching. Please like, unlike, tell me what you think I should do different, what I could do better. I'm always open for suggestions, help. I'm starting here new. But anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully I can do way more reviews. I don't have much money, so at the moment, so I can't get that many G-Shocks. So please, like, if I don't get new things, don't be like, oh, why you not getting it? Anyway, I'm ranting on. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you want, and thank you. Bye.